Loop is rideable. I'm not gonna say it's clear. Took 3 of us, 3 saws, I don't know, 1.5 gallons of gas, 1/2 gallon of bar oil, probably 4 hours, maybe 5 to get this last, just, I don't know, half mile done. We've been up here now 8 times. I don't have any clue how many trees we cleared. I will say, and I'll definitely warn you, if you're gonna come do Pioneer Motorcycle Loop right now, you better be on top of your game. It is nasty.
Need to cut that bigger, don't I?
It's garbage, but we can do it next time. Unless you just want to do it now. I would say if you're going to come up, still bring a saw. Because it's rough. And I won't be back for those. And I don't got room in my pack.